Navayangontra Devarnama, composed by Sri Purandaradasa, composed raga Hindustani copy, set to Adharanambakala, Jagadodharana, Adisal Yashoda. In this Devarnama, Sri Purandaradasa explains about crawling Krishna, and he also explains about how Yashoda is playing, enjoying crawling with Krishna. Today also we can see the crawling Krishna at Malur, situated near Mandya district, Karnataka. The Lord name is Aparamaya Swami. In this Devanama, Sri Purandasa addresses Lord Krishna as Paramapurusha, Paravasa Deva. This Devanama is popularized by Bharata Ratna Dr. M.S. Krishnamma. Sri Purandradasa was born in 1484. His parents were Vardappanayaka and Lakshmaka. His father Vardappanayaka was a dye merchant called Vijayanagar Empire. Later, Sri Purandradasa also continued business. Sri Purandradasa got the title Karnataka Sangeeta Pitamaha because he introduced systematic study of basic lessons like Swaravlinda Raga, Maya Malavagola, Gita Nag Malahari. Also is composed Uga Boga, Suladi, Vrittanama, Gadya in Kannada and Sanskrit language. He also introduced Sula Saptatala like Dhruvatala, Mattyatala, Rupakatala, Jampetala, Triputatala, Attatala, and Ekatala, along with jatis like Trisha Jati, Chaturisha Jati, Kanda Jati, Mishra Jati, and Sankana Jati. He has introduced only three angas like Lago, Dhrita, and Dhrita, and he also introduced Kanda Chapo and Mishra Chapo. He was a disciple of Vyasaraj Swami, as Vyasaraj Swami stated in one Devanama as Dasarandare Puranda Dasariya. He was a devotee of Panduranga Vitala. He is Ankitan of Purandara Vitala. He also got a Namakoti Narayana because he had Namakoti mantra. Every year during Jana Pushkara Amavasya day, Puranda Saradhana celebrate Mulabagalu Hampi in Karnataka. Musicians come into Devanama. Sari ma pa ni sa ni da ni pa ma ga re sa. Hindustani copy is Janya of 27 Kannada Priya. The Suraskum Raga Shadja, Chaturshti Shaba, Shuddha Madhyama, Panchama, Kaishik Nishadi Narohana, Chaturshti Devata and Sadhanangadar comes Navarohana. This exam Aura Vakrasampuna Raga in Arnagadasura Sumited. This exam 3 Nesura Bashang Raga. Antaragandhara, Kaklisha and Shuddha are Anyaswaras. Raga Sanchara, Ri Ma Pani, Pani sa ni da ni pa ma ga re sa. Ri ma pani sa. Pani sa ni da ni pa ma ga re sa. The famous commercial Hindustani copy or Poge Poge comes Purandasa, Ennatam Sedane Shoda, composed by Sri Papana Shivan. Nivalle Gunadoshamimi, Inta Saukhamani, come Sadguru Tyagaraja, the Devanama, Jagado Dharana, Adisi Dale Yashoda, 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 Jagado Dharana, Adisi Dale Yashoda. Jagado Dharana Maganando Teliyota, Jagado Dharana Maganando Teliyota, Jagado Dharana Maganando ಮಗನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯೂತ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಣ ಮಗನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯೂತ ಸುಗುಣಾಂತರಂಗನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಸುಗುಣಾಂತರಂಗನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಸುಗುಣಾಂತರಂಗನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಣ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಣ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಅಣೋರಣೀಯನ ಮಗತೋ ಮಗೀಯನ ಅಣೋರಣೀಯನ ಮಗತೋ ಮಗೀಯನ ಅಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಅಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಅಪ್ರಮೇಯನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಣ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಣ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷನ ಪರವಾಸುದೇವನ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷನ ಪರವಾಸುದೇವನ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಣ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಣ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಯಶೋದ ಯಶೋದ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳು ಕೃಷ್ಣನ
Like my ways in this Devanama, please press the like button, bell button, subscribe button and share to friends and relatives.